Welcome to
अपना ज्ञान लो।
Today, How Metals React, and the Reactivity series. Metals don't just sit there, they react. Today we see how they react with oxygen, water and acids, and we line them up from most to least reactive. Metals react in three main ways. Let's take each one. 1. A metal reacts with oxygen to form a metal oxide, which is usually basic. For example, magnesium burns in air to give magnesium oxide. 2. A reactive metal reacts with water to give a metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Sodium does this so violently it catches fire on water. 3. A metal reacts with an acid to give a salt and hydrogen. But the unreactive ones, copper, silver and gold, do not react with dilute acids. Now here is the key idea. Not all metals are equally reactive. Some react fiercely, some barely at all. So we arrange them in a list, from most reactive at the top, to least reactive at the bottom. This is the reactivity series. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, then hydrogen, then copper, mercury, silver, and gold. The metals at the top, like potassium and sodium, are very reactive. The ones at the bottom, like silver and gold, are the least reactive, which is why gold jewelry stays shiny for years. Question time. Sodium reacts violently even with cold water, while gold does not react at all. Which metal is more reactive? Pause and think. Yes, sodium. It sits near the top of the reactivity series, far above gold. And here is a useful rule. A more reactive metal can push a less reactive metal out of its salt solution. For example, iron displaces copper from copper sulfate. One more question. You dip an iron nail in blue copper sulfate, and it gets coated with reddish copper. Which metal is more reactive, iron or copper? Pause and think. Correct, iron. Iron is more reactive, so it displaced the copper out of the solution. So remember, metals react with oxygen, water and acids. Their strength follows the reactivity series, from potassium down to gold. And a more reactive metal always displaces a less reactive one. Next time, we see how metals and non-metals actually bond, and how we get pure metals out of the earth. That is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to
अपना ज्ञान लो।
and ring the bell so you never miss a new lesson. See you in the next one.